Hi there, thank you for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is about overwintering of my canna lily plant. This plant I bought in the month of April. It has now like 4 or 5 babies with it. So today I am going to overwinter it because this is the time of frost is coming in the next month. This is today the 15th of October 2024, and the frost may be coming in the month of November, first week of November or second week of November. So today I am going to overwinter this plant to save it for the next year. So I am going to take this plant. First, I am going to trim all the stems, leaving only 2 to 3 inches of the stem so that they can grow next year again. So you can see that there are at least 10 or 12 plants in this. When I bought this, it was having only 6 or 7 plants, and they have multiplied. They grow like a banana plant. They multiply by themselves, and every year you will see the more and more plants. So today I am going to trim off all the stems, only leaving 2 3 inches, and then I will take it out from the pot. If you have in the ground, then you can shovel it and take it out of the ground and do the stem trimming, then take out of them. And so this is the final position after trimming of the stem. So now I am going to take it out from this pot because it is heavily rooted. So this pot is not enough for it. So it is very difficult to take it out. So I have to dig it out with the help of some tools. If you have any tool, you can take it out with the tools. So once I will take them out, I will see how the roots are, and I have to trim them off also so that I can divide it at least in 2 or 3 parts, which is which is easily can be done. So you have seen that I have taken out it from the pot, and it has so many roots you can see, and we don't need these roots. We have to clean the soil around the roots, and we have to uh, apart it break apart it in 2 or 3 pieces. So uh, you have to be careful. You should not cut the rhizomes and or the tubers so that they should not be damaged. So try to save them. I know that it is not easy when you will put some tool, then the rhizome also will be hit. So I have taken them and I have taken in 2 parts. Now I am going to remove more of the soil from it so that once I will remove the more soil, then I will leave them outside in a sunny area so that they can dry out and their wound may be healed. So it is necessary because they may be having pest or fungus in it or something which can harm the plant during the overwintering when you will put them inside or some garage or in your basement. So I am going to try out most of the roots and most of the dirt to be out of this. So now they are ready to be put in the uh, sunny area. So after 2 3 days or whatever you can get time, like 2 or 3 days is must. Then once they will dry out, then take some uh, scissor or something, and then cut the roots which are not necessary to be left during the storage, because they will be dead and eventually, and they will not help in developing the plant for the next year. So you have to trim out all the roots and only the rhizome. We need to save the rhizomes only, and in this way you can clean it most of them, and don't break the rhizomes. Those are important to be stored in the garage or somewhere which has a temperature uh, above 30 degree to 40 degree. So mostly the garage temperature is 12 degree warmer than the outside temperature. If outside is 32, the garage temperature will be 42 and 44. So they can survive in garage. So I have taken this ice box which is of styrofoam, and I will do two type of storage. I will put one in wrap. After wrapping in newspaper, I will leave it in this styrofoam box, which is the ice box. I got this from the local grocery store for $5. So you can also have, or you can make your own if you have the packing material of any kind of things which you have ordered online. You may be having some packing material. You can make your own box. So this one I have done in the ice box, and the other one I will put in the carton after wrapping in newspapers. So this is the carton box which I have got. So I'm going to wrap the other part of it in this paper, and I will put this in this carton, and then they will finally will go in the garage. So this is important that you should put them in a place where the sometimes you have the room in the garage, or you have the room in the basement which is adjacent to garage, and they will have some warm area which can provide them heat during the winter from inside. So this is the final position of these plants. Now they will be sitting here till maybe April, because when the weather will start warming up, then I will plant them again in April, or maybe when the temperature is around 50 degree outside. So guys, I hope you will also overwinter your canna lilies. They are really very beautiful plant. They give flowers for at least 6 months to you. to you. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.